This video is sponsored by Dreame.
If you're talking about smart home tech and cleaning solutions, it's hard to look past Dreame both figuratively and also physically as easily one of the most eye-catching booths here at CES 2025. Welcome back to our CES coverage with Digital Trends. I'm Chris Hagan, and I've gotten the pleasure to know a lot of different Dreame products today. I'm talking air purifiers, robot vacuums, stick vacuums, pool cleaners, you name it. Dreame probably has a really innovative product that can get your home looking better than it's ever been. So let's take a look around the booth at some of the products that stood out most to me. So we're going to start with the X50 Ultra robot vacuum, and this thing is absolutely jam-packed with cool features. I'm talking a radar camera, AI-driven algorithms to map out your home. It's got the ability to go underneath surfaces and lower its radar to fit under those. It's got mops and side brushes that stick out. And the coolest thing is it can actually step up different levels. So if you've got any surfaces that go up by 6 centimeters or less, it actually has wheels that can climb. They're meant to mimic the human thigh and calf and actually use its system to climb up to clean different levels of your home. It's really cool stuff and one of the standout products here at Dreame. Okay, so now we're checking out the Z1 series, specifically the Z1 Pro, which is a really cool pool cleaner, and I've actually got a remote that I can use with a laser to control what it does. This time I'm going to pause it, and then I can use these directional buttons to move the direction it goes. So I'm pointing the laser at it through the water and able to move it forward and direct it with the remote control. Really cool to be able to control this from outside of the pool and automate which direction it goes. What I think I find most cool about this product though is how you can get it out of the water. So nobody wants to have to stick their hand in or go in to get their cleaner out of the pool. So with this button, I've now set it to map its environment. It'll find the nearest wall and it will climb itself out of the pool, making it a lot easier to retrieve. Now, when it comes to stick vacuums, I gotta say this one is really cool. So this is the Z30, and what's unique about this one is its auto mode. So it is a wireless vacuum, so it does need to charge. However, when you are operating it in its auto mode, it can determine how hard it needs to work. So when you're going over something a little bit easier to pick up, it will turn its motor down. When it's something a little more difficult to pick up, it will turn its motor up. This is very power efficient and keeps you from having to recharge too often and can extend the life of your vacuum to allow you to clean longer. In its eco mode, it can go about 90 minutes. In that auto mode, just depending on what you can go over, probably about an average of 40 to 50 minutes. So very cool that this kind of technology exists because it's just overall more power efficient, time efficient, and less of a headache for us when we're cleaning our homes. Okay, so this is the H12 Pro Flex Reach, and the Flex Reach name comes from being able to get 180 degrees down, so really flexible, easy to get under any furniture or any areas that you need to. And as you can see, we've got a mess of dry and wet here. I'm running it in its smart mode. And just like that, picks all that mess right up, which is really cool. I'm told the battery should run about 50 minutes on this, and what helps make it so light and easy to pick up is you've got the water tank here right over the brush, and even better for cleaning it out when you're done, the tank separates the dry mess from the wet mess. So whenever you're cleaning everything out, you don't have this whole mess of things sloshing around in there. Everything is already separated upon cleaning and easy to dispose of later. So that'll wrap things up here at Dreame, but if you do want to learn more about the products we showcased in this video and the many more that they have to offer, again, really innovative stuff, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching this video as always, and thank you for following along our CES coverage. We'll see you in the next video.